What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now this is very easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your phone and open the Trust Wallet app inside your phone. So after, guys, you open the Trust Wallet, what you need to do, guys, next, as you can see, this is my Trust Wallet app and I just opened it on my laptop. Yeah, that's it. So what you need to do, guys, like I said, is to open the Trust Wallet app inside your phone, and you need to click on three little lines in the top right. As you can see, these three little lines, and then you want to search for USDT. Okay, so this is the USDT, this is the coin, whatever. So you want to click on it and click on receive. Okay, and that's it. You want to click on copy. That's it. You have copied your wallet address. Now you want to go to your Binance account using phone or web version or laptop or whatever, and you want to click on wallet in the top right and click on fiat and spot. Okay, so after, guys, you click on fiat and spot, you want to then search for USDT. Now I'm going to search for it right now. This is it. As you can see, USDT. You want to click on withdraw, and then you want to paste here the address. Okay, as you can see, and then the network, it should be Polygon. Like if you select other network, your funds will be lost. Okay, make sure you select Polygon, or you want to go to Trust Wallet and make sure you see, or make sure you search for the correct network inside your Trust Wallet app. Like I always select Polygon, and then the amount, you want to then select the amount, for example 1 or 2, and then you want to click on withdraw. So that's it, guys, and the funds or the USDT will be transferred to your Trust Wallet. Okay, so that's it. It will be transferred like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it depends. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. See you guys next.